Here's what you need to know about what is the TCP/IP model. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. The TCP/IP model is the practical framework that powers the modern Internet. It organizes network communication into 4 layers: network access, Internet, transport, and application. Unlike the theoretical OSI model, TCP/IP is the model actually implemented in real-world networks and operating systems. Key concept: 4-layer architecture. TCP/IP has 4 layers: network access, Internet, transport, and application. Each layer handles a specific job and passes data to the layer above or below it. Key concept: TCP/IP versus OSI model. The OSI model has 7 layers. TCP/IP condenses them into 4. OSI layers 5, 6, and 7, session, presentation, application, all map to TCP/IP's single application layer. Key concept: Internet layer routes packets. The Internet layer handles logical addressing and routing using IP. This is where packets get their source and destination IP addresses and are forwarded across networks. Key concept: Transport layer TCP and UDP. The transport layer uses TCP for reliable, ordered delivery with error checking, or UDP for fast, connectionless delivery. Choosing the right protocol depends on whether accuracy or speed matters more. Let's look at the full breakdown. Layer 4, application protocols, HTTP, FTP, DNS, SMTP, SNMP, OSI equivalent. Layers 5, 6, 7, function, user-facing services and data formatting. Layer 3, transport protocols, TCP, UDP, OSI equivalent. Layer 4, function, reliable or fast end-to-end delivery. Layer 2, Internet, protocols, IP, ICMP, ARP, OSPF, BGP, OSI equivalent. Layer 3, function, logical addressing and packet routing. Layer 1, network access, protocols, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, PPP, OSI equivalent. Layers 1, 2, function, physical transmission, and MAC addressing. Here's a real-world example. When you load a web page, your browser, application layer, sends an HTTP request. TCP, transport layer, breaks it into segments and ensures reliable delivery. IP, Internet layer, addresses and routes each packet across routers. Finally, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, network access layer, transmits the raw bits over the physical cable or airwaves to your router. Quick recap before you go. 1. TCP/IP has 4 layers: network access, Internet, transport, application. 2. It is the model actually used on the Internet. OSI is theoretical. 3. OSI's 7 layers map onto TCP/IP's 4 layers. Application covers OSI layers 5, 6, 7, 4. Internet layer =IP addressing and routing. Transport layer TCP or UDP. 5. Network access layer combines OSI's physical and data link layers. That's what is the TCP/IP model covered. Exam tip: know the OSI-to-TCP/IP layer mapping. Cold, application 5 + 6 + 7, transport 4, Internet 3, network access 1 + 2. Exam questions often give you a protocol and ask which TCP/IP layer it belongs to. Next up, what is IPv4? If this helped, hit subscribe. New Network Plus topics drop every week.